Tell me about the quarter. I haven't looked at it yet. What does it say?
Corey, as you mentioned, the shares are a little changed. That's because Fitbit already dropped the bomb earlier last month when they pre-announced that they were going to miss earnings. They were going to be cutting 6% of the workforce. But as you said, revenue dropped almost 20%. They already had the bar set very low, but even then, they barely met those very low expectations and missed on some metrics as well. And their outlook also was not pretty.
Yeah, big decline in sales here, but they still seem to command a lot of market share. Activate CEO Michael Wolf. When you see a company like this that is sales down, absolutely, but margins are still very strong, even though they're consumer electronics. Competitors are leaving the space, maybe leaving them a little more runway. And I wonder what you make of that when you look at this business with declining revenues, but sustainable margins and competitors falling away.
Well, first of all, the product is superior because it's simple, and people want to use it because it's simple. Second of all, like every other consumer electronics company, they need a next wave of innovation. And so when they come out with a new product, they give consumers a signal that it's time to buy. So I do expect, as the other competitors have gone away, as the more expensive wearables are really not as interesting to consumers, I think this company is going to continue to grow and go back to a growth trajectory.
Selina, what's how are they feeling on the call? Are you sensing that optimism?
You know, the call is still ongoing. James Park is obviously optimistic as ever. He's saying that they're going to be looking to new form factors. As Michael mentioned, they really need to innovate, come out with new products. Even though their product is simple, I think that in Q4 really showed that consumers are looking for something that's a bit more sophisticated. And that's why they're focused on integrating some of their acquisitions of Pebble, Vector Smartwatch, and Coin so that they can come out with a new product to generate more demand. Another interesting part was James Park again emphasized his push for his digital health strategy. They want to continue to integrate into the healthcare community. He gave an example of their data feeding into one of Medtronic's glucose monitors so that that data is being directly integrated into that. And he definitely wants to get more revenue from those types of partnerships.